Are you looking for some professional IT services based in Liberia? In the world of today, if you are not technologically sound and your brand doesn't have a strong online presence, there is a high chance people wouldn't know what you do or what your brand is all about. Heck, they wouldn't even know that you exist. That's where Setuup steps in to save the day. Setuup is a group of highly skilled young minds brought together by technology who understands your IT needs better. Setuup offers complete IT solutions that include networking, server deployment, CCTV installation, website design, development and maintenance, registration of customized domains, among many other IT services. Setuup doesn't stop there. It also goes the extra mile by providing consultancy for troubleshooting of technical issues for its customers. It doesn't matter if you're a giant corporation or just a new startup. Setuup makes sure you stay in the game. Setuup offers the best quality of work in the most unbelievable and affordable packages that are specially altered to your need. Contact us today to get your own customized package. So what are you waiting for? Make Setuup your new IT buddy in Liberia.